What?
Let's ask the sarcastic nine ball question.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm game.
sarcastic nine ball. Would I survive a horror movie? Obviously.
Oh,
Or
okay. Whoa, magic ball. Let's see. Will I survive a horror movie? Yes, if you leave me alone. So of course.
all right, so we're gonna ask if Ratchet would survive a horror movie. It says battery low. It's not gonna tell us.
No,
Sorry, Ratchet.
Right, sorry, Ratchet. We tried. We tried. Oh, there you go. One. Yeah, battery low. Yep.
It's consistent.
Right. Right. She wouldn't have the batteries
Mm.
to do.